Today we're going to talk about this little microphone. Now, instead of going through all the specs and showing you the packaging like all the other reviews, I'm just going to try and show you the difference it can make in your audio. So right now, I'm walking around and you can hear exactly what I'm saying. I'm getting pretty far away, I don't know, 20 feet or so. And it's great. So if you're doing something where you're trying to film with your phone and you're not going to be by your phone, I think it's going to work really well. And now I'm going to show you what happens when you take the microphone away. So now the microphone's not there and I'm just talking at a normal tone of voice. I'm going to walk back to where I was before and then walk back, and you can see the sound is not as good and it's not going to make for a good video. Up close, it's even a little bit different. So if you need a little microphone to clip on and that has all the attachments you need and works really well for picking up your voice, then I really suggest that you get this.